Record dam spill swells Central West flood, as more than 100 people rescued and thousands stranded. On Monday night, the NSW State Emergency Service issued an "Evacuate Now" directive for people in South Albury in the state's South and Western Plains Tourist Park in the Central West. The overnight dam spill on Monday initially released 200,000 megaliters a day, but this quickly increased to 230,000 megaliters a day and is expected to last for days, raising concerns in many towns, including Forbes and Condobolin, as water levels are expected to rise along the Lachlan River and its tributaries. As a comparison, Sydney Harbour holds about 562,000 megaliters. The Bureau of Meteorology's Steve Bernasconi said the potential for more rain across western NSW this weekend meant the risk of further flooding was far from over. Rescue helicopters and the ADF have been sent in to assist, with flash flooding still occurring at Eugowra.